I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Plug your Xbox into the router with a quality Ethernet cable. You want consistent, lower latency throughput. Once done, set a static IP so the router can apply rules reliably. Make sure UPnP is on. If not, note the ports TCP/UDP 3074 to forward manually. You do this because wired links remove Wi-Fi contention and static addressing prevents DHCP shifts from breaking forwarding. Next, we'll prioritize that traffic at the router level. Log into your router and find CoS or bandwidth control. Prioritize the Xbox by its static IP or MAC address and reserve a % of your upload for gaming and downloads. Once set lower priority on streaming boxes and smartphones so they don't steal bursts of bandwidth. If your router supports traffic shaping, set download priority higher than upload, because Xbox downloads need steady incoming packets. Make sure to save and reboot the router so rules take effect. Reboot modem router, then the Xbox. That forces the network to apply the new settings. Start a download and monitor speed. If it's still poor, change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and test again because DNS can affect content server routing. If problems persist, swap Ethernet cables, update router firmware, and contact your ISP to rule out throttling. One key tip: test a laptop on the same cable to confirm the line. Then you'll know whether the issue is console or connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.